Hey everyone, it's Donna here with you today, sharing a card that I created using the Margaret kit by Unity Stamp Company. I want to show you how I created the streamer effect on the background of the card. I used the Distress Oxide inks, and I just chose 3 colors to keep it simple. The image is so pretty I didn't really feel that I had to use a lot on the background here. And as you can see, I just wet the area and drag that down with the aqua pen. Any pen that you have on hand will do just fine for this. And then I incorporated the same colors throughout the image, shading in her dress and the balloons. You can add a lot of color or just a little, depends on how much you want to shade it in. Then I put in the different accents on her shoes and her shoulders. Once I was finished with that, I just used the Copic markers to shade in her skin because I didn't really have the Distress Oxide color that I like to go with that. And I just added just a tiny bit of color. I used the E31 for her hair and her shoes also. And then once that was colored in, I fussy cut around the image. And I used Heather Hoffman's little technique of moving the paper versus moving the scissors because there was a little bit of detail on here and it does make it a lot easier. So I just went all the way around. I did lose those little flecks on the edges, but that's okay for this one. And then because I can't really keep my design straight, I used a little paper for a template and did some little stitching across the top with just a black gel marker to add a little boldness to the card because I used the black matte on the sentiment also. Then I pop that up with 3D foam tape, and there you have it. Thank you for watching.